if I cut this or burn this, would this work?
Hey from the future, it's String. I'm about to throw some epic knowledge bombs and fried chicken at you. Get ready.
If I cut this or if I do this in mic, would this work as a quick audio mic hack? Why spend $100 on this when you could like cut your own mic? Hi, my name is String, and if you're interested in tech startups and just want to like hang out, follow me. My name is String. I'm a curious geek of the future. I have a lot of equipment, like 9 of them, and it varies from podcasting equipment to mobile things, and I happen to like Rode a lot. If you're starting out, it makes sense if you use your headphones because audio makes a difference when it comes to sound equipment. Unfortunately, when you have like things wrap around your head, it ruins the visuals, and your face is part of your visual personal branding. Just let you know, unfortunately I burnt my one, but think of this as the mic that you use, but I don't like it because it ruins your visuals when it comes to audio. It ruins your visuals when it comes to creating videos. The first equipment that I recommend that you buy is the Rode mic. It's great because you could like travel with it everywhere, and it's small and handy, and if it's onto your phone, just be careful with the jack as well, because smartphones these days has different forms of jack, and this one has this jack. So you need to buy a handy tool is that you get an old smartphone and hook it up to your mic, which is what I'm using right now. This is the VideoMic Me, and it has the old jack into this, but I really like how, well, this is actually my least favorite one because it's omni. So omni means it's like it goes wider and it picks up sound from the outside, while directional, it means that you're focusing on the sound that comes through this. So it goes directional through like that way. So I prefer directional because I'm all about the audio, and visuals is like important, but when you're creating knowledge-based content, you want more directional conversation so the audio sounds really clear and crisp. At the end of the day, it's all about crisp audio because people actually listen to the ears when they come and pick up information. When it comes to conferences, I pick up this thing. I really like this. It's a good tool to protect yourself from other people as well. Ow, that actually hurts. I particularly love this. This is one of my favorite equipment. It hooks up to your smartphone, and this is the thing that I interview Gary Vee. Conferences wise, you get to talk to everyone and you can control the conversations because sometimes people talk a lot, and that's normal. But as a host, as a person who interviews, you have to make sure learning to interject politely but also continue on the conversation is a good sign of a good interviewer. The next thing I like is the Rode mic interview kit. This is probably the newest one that came out last year, I think. But this is super useful if you're doing interviews, and super light and carries and fits into your satchel as well. So I recommend this. If we can use this as an audio, and I'm going to click a memo right now. Testing 1 2 3, my name is String and welcome to my channel. This is with the mic sound. Testing 1 2 3. Remember, testing 1 2 3. Does this audio sound awesome? Okay, I'm just burning it because it's fun. Apparently people like it when you burn things. Which side? So this is the side with the mic, which I'm going to cut. This is the side I'm going to burn. Oh wow, it's actually working. Do not do this at home. Okay, that burned the plastic. If we burn and took off the head, would it work? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright. That was the burn part. And this been cut off officially. Does it work? I don't know. Let's do a test right now. People on Instagram has actually voted to say that most of it is not good. Actually, the majority on Instagram has voted that it's not going to work. Majority on Instagram said it's not going to work. 80% says no go. Memo on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Oh my god, the visual says it doesn't work. Testing 1, 2, 3. Does it work now? Does this work? Does this work? No, it doesn't work. So the cool thing about Memo is that it will let you know, because it tells you the sound and audio if it works or not. I'm using the iPhone. And testing 1, 2, 3. Does it work? Why doesn't it work? Well, the cool thing is we get to see if it works or not, but clearly it does not work. Where is the audio? Let's see. No, it's flat as. Flat. That was a lot of fun. Okay, look forward to creating more videos for my YouTube channel. Like, follow, and subscribe. Hammer, scissors, paper.
Who pays?
Yeah.
Alright.
First to 3.
I'm going...
What? No, are you?
Scissors.
You're playing game theory on me.
I'm going scissors.
You're playing game theory on me. I'm going for paper.
Alright. I'm going scissors.
Hammer, scissors, paper.
Oh, you beat me.
Yes.